What's going on, everybody? Chaz with Homegrown How To. In this video I'm going to be setting up some Christmas lights. This year I've elected to use some Lumary bar lights rather than having to put these up on the perimeter of my roof. In the box you get 4 of these bar lights here. The package itself does come with some mounting hardware just in case you decide you want to mount these light bars to your roof or wall. First plug in your power adapter and then plug in your lights. As soon as your lights get power, they will be flashing like you can see here in the background. This just means that the lights are ready to pair with the app. And then within the Lumary app, up in the right hand corner, click Add Device. This will discover the lights that you are trying to pair and sync those up easily. And then once you're in the app, each row of lights up top equates to 1 light. You can change one light multiple colors if you wish. There is also a fill function where you can change all the lights the exact same color as shown here. You can also dim and change the brightness level of each light as well. Then right here you can delete different sections of the lights, and on the little swiggle function here you can change each section of the light different colors as shown here. It is hard to tell on this light bar up close, but you can see that there is a pink, blue, yellow, pink, blue, pink on this one single light bar. Also within the app there's a ton of different preset functions as well. Lumary has set up a ton of different functions. They all have a bunch of fun different light colors, flows, flashes, strobes, dims, all kinds of things. They're really cool. Here's another one of those really cool presets. This one kind of has like a running fade to it and changes different colors, so that's really cool. So now I'm outside. This is the wall I want to set these up on. I want to have these lights just illuminate up onto this wall, give all kinds of different Christmas feel vibes to it as well. I do have these other Lumary outdoor lights that I use to project up on the house as well. I've already got these set up to be red, white, and green function for Christmas, so let's get these ones set up as well. First I plug in the power adapter into the outlet, then run the lights along the side of the house. Lumary does recommend that you set these about 1 meter, which is a little bit more than 3 feet away from the wall, just so that you can get the best effect with your lights. Now that I've got these set up and ready to illuminate the side of the wall here, we're going to wait till dark and come back.
Alright guys, so you can see I've got my red, white, and green Christmas lights running here, shining up on this wall. I think it looks really cool. It gives a nice little cool Christmas effect here. I really like that. That looks pretty cool. Along with my other Lumary lights that I've got flashing over here. Let's check out the whole house. I think that looks pretty dang cool all around. I really like that. So you can see our whole bottom Christmas effect. I've got some more lights I'm going to throw up here later. For right now, since the focus is on these strip lights, these things are pretty sweet. I really like those. Let's go ahead and get into a little bit more of the app functionality here. Coming into the app, we'll click on the lights here. And they have a ton of different functions. So there's like a party mode, some cool colors, some dancing. Here's a gorgeous function, a Mew function. Let's go with forest. I really like that forest kind of green. It kind of fades in and out to blue. That's pretty cool. Also, if you come into here to festival, they have a bunch of different like holiday functions. That's the Halloween one. Valentine's Day. It's just kind of a red, white, and purple flow. That's pretty cool. There's a birthday one. That one's kind of fun. Here's their Christmas preset function. I like my custom Christmas one where it's just the red, white, and blue, or red, white, and green. There's a St. Patrick's Day one. That one's pretty cool too. And one of my very favorites here are their American Flag Day one. There's this one. Kind of fades from red, white, and blue. And then the Independence Day. This one's actually really cool. So it's got the red, white, and blue flow. You've also got the option of music function here. Basically, you can turn on music on your phone and play that. Right now I'm just going to use my voice just because I don't want any copyright strikes on me here. I don't want to be getting in trouble for any of that stuff. So like I said, the music function, you can see those lights just kind of flash and bounce and move to the music, move to the sound of my voice. So that is also pretty dang cool. Then again, I'm going to come back over to my custom function. I've got my Christmas one here. I got the flow of the red, white, and green. I do really like that as well. That's probably my favorite one, especially since I created it, obviously. So guys, be sure to check out these Lumary lights. They are really cool, really customizable. All of their lights are really customizable, so I really like their line of products. So be sure to check them out. Thanks for watching. Y'all have a good one.